This is our second consecutive year. While we had last year paddy plantation in the field, which was appreciated by most. And after that, many started to do this. This year, we thought of having lady fingers. Lady fingers are known to this place, Santisteva. And having this place done, it's an honor that the teachers took a lot of interest, Teacher Antoinette and Teacher Swiesel, along with the resource person to get this work done. At the same time, there will be some laborers who are also involved. And an exposure to the children here, because to have a kitchen garden at home is a must today. Having their own vegetable, while a little spot or place that they have, that they will make use of their place at home. I wish my children all the very best to start this little venture, what we do here, to have it at home. And this is my prayer for them, so that in the near future they have their own vegetable. Because every day we buy vegetable from the market. We are in this month of July. July is a greenery month where we have a lot of plantation, and the forest department and other officers lend these plants to most of them. And we also are privileged during this time last month that we got some plants from the forest department for us, for here to be given. So I wish you, dear children, all the very best.
On behalf of all the students, I sincerely thank to everyone present here for making this IDA field trip a very memorable experience. My gratitude to our headmistress and our manager, and to all our teachers for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to come and sow some seeds of our own, and so we take care of them in the future and learn our responsibilities well. My special thanks to the media team for coming and covering this event. To Suchitra auntie for showing us how to plant, and for giving us an opportunity to try to dig the ground. Thank everyone present here. Have a good day.
My name is Naila Pereira and I am from class 10th B, and I am here to express my heartfelt gratitude to our headmistress, Reverend Sister Liberata Fernandez, our manager, Reverend Sister Hilda Lopez, our teachers, and all those present here. My sincere, I would like to thank the media team for Suchitra auntie for teaching us how to sow seeds and giving us an opportunity to try on our own. Thank you. This was a wonderful experience. We got to learn a lot. We got even to try how to sow seeds. We got to dig the ground, and it was a wonderful experience.